Hi everyone, I'm Eric Abrahamson, founder and CEO of Digital Fineprint, and I'm here today with Alex, who's going to be joining our demo later. In a nutshell, what we do is to gather open data and use it for commercial insurance to help commercial insurers and brokers distribute better and find new insights. We started this company because we fundamentally believe in the power of technology as a force for good. If it's used in the right way, technology can completely transform industries in good ways, and we hope that can be done in insurance as well. That's why we're all here. But we're focusing on two specific problems for the insurance industry. First, it's very difficult and expensive to distribute insurance, especially in the SME space. It's been very difficult to find the right acquisition strategy, it's been difficult to distribute online, and we want to help insurers and brokers do it better. Secondly, even when we distribute, when we get a lot of data, it's difficult to match it with open data sources, external data, social data, review data, and that's where we think we can help with our technology backgrounds. So all what we want to show you today is one new distribution channel that you might not have seen before, and secondly, an analytics engine, which we can use to generate new insights from external and open data. So let's have a look. We start the distribution channel right in LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an overlooked channel for online insurance distribution. Many insurers have tried Google, but it's very expensive. Cost per click is $20, $30. So we are one of very few insurtechs who are helping insurers and brokers distribute on LinkedIn. We use programmatic advertising and machine learning to give the right message to the right people at the right time and find small business owners who might need specific insurance. This can help your distribution strategy, it can decrease customer acquisition cost, and when a user clicks on an ad that we've been serving to them, they are sent to our product recommendation engine. Here, it's possible to either log in with your LinkedIn account, so we see what company you work for or represent, or as Alex is doing, you can search for the name of a company to look up all the details for it. What we do here is to go out and generate insight from review data, social data, we get data from the website of the company, we look up things in government databases, everything in the open data analytics field in order to generate a single overview of a customer's needs. So here the business owner can see insights about their own company. For example, this is a photography, videography business, and therefore we can find data on their website indicating that they need portable equipment insurance. So we give them a reason to buy, we give them a clear way of adding to quote, and when they add to quote, they can either continue the customer journey on our partners' websites, or they can use our white label solution to make sure we can complete the journey directly online. This helps both with cross-selling and it increases conversions, so more small businesses are covered in broader ways. Everything we've seen here has been around showing the front end to the user, but we also want to show you what it looks like on the back end for you as an insurance company or a broker. As soon as Alex entered the name of the company, Aerial Republic, it's added to our database of companies that we are analyzing. You can then go in and see both the raw data, what we've been gathering, the data sources where it comes from, and the outcome of the analysis that we carried out. So here you can see, for example, that the revenue of the business is in this range where it's based, details on the directors, and also some warning signs. For example, on the website of this company, they are collecting personal data, signing up for newsletters and so on. That means that they could have a cyber risk. There's both a reason for you as a broker to reach out for them, but also you might wanting to be check whether or not they have any risk from a GDPR perspective, or if the email addresses, as we've seen in this analysis, have been used in data breaches in the past. All of this data is turned into actionable insights so that both the user, the broker, the insurance company can have a full view of each company. I should mention that all of these data points are not just seen once off in a snapshot view, it's being tracked over time. So you get a timeline view to figure out what's changing in the business. We identify trigger events. So is there a new director joining the business? Maybe they need new directors and officers insurance. If there is a change in the office address, they might need insurance for that. All of these trigger events are being generated in our dashboard to help you as a broker and insurer to help your customers in more complete ways. All of this data is also generated via APIs. We can also integrate to other CRM systems and your existing IT infrastructure, or it can be used as a dashboard. Needless to say, we're not just analyzing one company at a time. It's possible to integrate or simply upload a CSV file. It's the simplest way we've found of integrating with insurance systems. So you can upload a file and then see a mass analysis on a batch basis for all the companies that you're currently doing business with. So as a broker, if you're sending us a list of your clients and you know what you've sold to them already, we can identify cross-selling opportunities to tell you how you can help them in more complete ways for every single company in your database. All this put together means that you have a clearer view to a cross-selling distribution strategy. And if you're a junior broker, you can get up to speed on your book of business much, much faster using our technology. After you've been uploading it, we can also track it over time to see how changes in your business, in your book of business, continues to give you new opportunities for cross-selling and upselling. So let's summarize what we've seen today. First, we showed you a new distribution channel that's cheaper and faster and more accessible to small business owners. Then we showed you our product recommendation engines, where you can just look up the name of a company and see what specific insurance they need. Then we were looking at both the raw data and the outcome of the machine learning algorithms that we have been building. All of this technology has been built and it's been winning a couple of awards like Best FinTech in the UK, Best InsurTech at TDI. And we are now both expanding the team thanks to our new funding from Pentech and EOS Venture Partners. Team of 16 is based in London, and we're looking both for new partners, insurance, brokers, and commercial insurance companies. We've also been working with leading insurers in the past, such as QB and Hiscox, and now we're planning to be growing both in the UK, where we're based, and abroad. So if you're an insurance company working in the commercial space, if you're a broker, if you're a channel partner, if you work on commercial insurance in general, do come and talk to us. We're over in the booth all day, and we're going to be based in London if you're ever visiting there. I'm Eric, and this is Alex. We're from Digital Fineprint. Thank you so much for listening to us today.